Hello, welcome to Upcycle Art Journals. Glad to have you back with me if you've been here before, and if not, welcome. I just wanted to show some of the Alice in Wonderland goodies that I made for the craft fair. The craft fair was incredibly hot and not well attended, I think, and partially because of the heat. So I have lots of wonderful Alice things still available that I'm going to get up on the Etsy shop, but it was a great opportunity to show some of the things that I had made. So these are all in packages because a lot of times it will rain over there at the outdoor craft fair. So they're still in their packages, but there are more file folder Alice in Wonderland packets listed. I have those up on Etsy already. So those are super fun. They're good if you want to give like a card or a birthday gift. Rather than a card, just get a little, a little journal and stick a gift card in it even, or a note. Just something different. But I have all these Alice in Wonderland. I did sell one of them, so that was fun. She's always real popular. I have 3 that are made from little golden books, and they are all very similar as far as, the size of them. All of these have 3 signatures. They all have the mushrooms on the spine. And they all have a combination of colorful papers and digitals that kind of go with it. They all have some book pages from the originals. So just super fun, pretty basic. These ones, the little golden books, I have not put anything in them yet. I probably will still do that before I put them up on Etsy. Some pockets and some goodies in those. So those 3, maybe that's one of my projects today will be to work on getting the pockets and the belly bands and things put in those, which I'll show you some of the other ones that have those already. But that good project for this afternoon. And this one is just a second one just like that. But these ones I think already have their goodies all in it. So these are the hardback. Yeah, this one has, the pockets and the ephemera with it, a coloring page. So just cute. Another one very similar. I've already sold a couple of these ones, so I went ahead and made 2 this time. And then the bunny one that we saw in an earlier video. So that was just a fun thing to be able to work on. I will finish up the little golden books. Get those all packed up with lots of goodies in them. And then probably put Alice away for a while because we need to start pulling out Christmas, which sounds crazy in the 100-degree heat. But people are already starting to look for Christmas goodies. So we'll have to start wrapping our brain around that. Organize and get set up for that. So let me know, which of these Alice ones do you like best? I did get one more in the mail recently. I don't think I brought it down here, but the one I sold, I actually just got another one of the same cover. So I probably will just hold off on that one until after the holidays because we have plenty of Alice ready to go. So if Alice is your vibe, we've got lots of it in the Etsy shop, so please check that out. And be watching for other things I'm working on, and probably do some more flip throughs of some other of my journals that are on Etsy. Etsy only lets me have about 12 seconds to show a flip through, so I really enjoy putting them on YouTube's just to send somebody to so they can get a complete flip through of what's going on. So I hope that you'll come back again soon where we can upcycle some more stuff.